Morning traders, it's Thursday 9th of September 2021. Look out for some Euro news today, high priority Euro news, the monetary policy statement and the ECB press conference from 12:45 p.m. UK time, and then we have 45 minutes later 1:30 p.m. UK time, and a little bit of CAD news later with the Bank of Canada Governor Macklem speaking. So this is the next one, Euro. So could be quiet on the Euro front until that news comes out, but just be a little bit careful if you are thinking of going into any Euro pairs or if you are in any Euro trades at the moment. Dollar index, quick look at the dollar index. That dollar index momentum is to the upside at the moment. Now, we've had a couple of deep 1 hour candles. This one's still got about 10 minutes to go. So is this potentially a change of cycle, or is it just a deep pullback? We're going to, we might see it continue to make new highs, because technically, we are still making higher highs, higher lows. If you were to look at this as a low, high, higher low, higher high, we could still come back down somewhere here and form a higher low. So deep pullback potentially with some more upside maybe to look out for. Okay, I'll be looking for, if I'm looking to go long on the dollar, I'll be looking for buyers to come in and a bullish close above this 20 moving average on the hourly time frame. Okay, so of course we could be changing trend. Okay, these sellers could be starting to take control of the market. So what I'll be looking for is for that down momentum to continue, and then a correction. So if you want to see what I'm looking at, you can look at this here: down momentum, correction, and then continued down momentum. So if we see that the EMA's cross, let me start seeing that, then I'm going to be being interested in selling the US dollar. But right this moment in time, we are still in that uptrend. So, we could do that and make higher highs, higher lows still. Let's get rid of that. So I am watching this one, and I'm linking that with my other USD pairs as well. So we should be seeing a pullback on Aussie. Yeah, we are. Look, we've pulled back into that 50 moving average. Moving averages are still in the right order though. So this is still a bearish market for me until we change cycle on the hourly, and we haven't done that. There's a little bit of a level here, 73.48, where we're finding support. So a close below there would potentially indicate further downside. But looking interesting, we could see this do this for further downside. So I'll be looking out for that as well. Euro, I'd stay away from Euro. It's a very, very similar picture to Aussie dollar actually. But, we've seen that pullback into the 50. Is this just a pullback, and are we going to break this level? Now, pound USD is a slightly different, what I'm saying is a different kettle of fish. It's had a very deep pullback. So I'm quite surprised at this. But 138, in fact, I've deleted the level there. 138 is an interesting level, big number. We have seen price break above there before, but it's a false break, so we're doing that at the moment. Now price is interesting because this could be an inverse head and shoulder pattern. So that's a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, or a low, lower low, higher low, which is a reversal pattern. However, this would be the neckline for me. So it's possible that we could either continue to the upside on this, retest 138 and continue to go long. We could do, or we could see a retest of the neckline and then potentially look for buyers. So, but pound USD is a very, very interesting one. Okay, we've got an inverse head and shoulder pattern here, and we've got a head and shoulder pattern here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So this is a reversal pattern for downside, which we've had, and now this is a reversal pattern for upside, which we are currently experiencing. So very, very interesting price action on pound USD. We did have a very, very nice bullish candle yesterday on the daily. If I just show you, nice rejection candle, and yeah, this could be the start of some upside for pound USD. So we could be seeing a strong pound, but I'm going to keep my eyes on that. Let me just put my 1 hour moving averages back on, because what was looking in pound Aussie was looking interesting to me. Right, if this closes like this, then that looks quite bullish to me, and that could be a buy setup on pound Aussie. Swiss yen, okay, nothing there. Pound Aussie though, that looks pretty good. That could be a morning star pattern closing in about 5 minutes, and that would look good for longs buying above this candle here. So have a little look at that. That could be a trade worth taking in a minute. I'm going to get this out to you ASAP, and I'll speak to you later. Bye.